Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to press the button subscribe and notification bell. Takot ka pala. Okay, ito siya. Ito siya yung takot sa hanging bridge. Pakita mo na kung hindi ka takot. Ano yan? Umaakyat sila kaya ganun yan. Gagalaw talaga yan. Okay, welcome back to the channel. Wala naman talagang channel.
Mas maalog pagpaakyat ng paakyat pa.
Di yan. Ito yung pinakamaganda sa Cloud9. Best challenge.
Ay, buti naman yung bababa ganyan.
Challenge na kailangan mo lampasan dito sa Cloud9 ay ang hanging bridge nila from bottom to the top. Yung isa dyan nauna pero
Sorry, hindi ako takot guys.
takot.
Sorry, hindi ako takot.
Takot siya.
Hindi
Okay, sige nga.
Gusto mo naman papakin.
Oh, hindi daw kamo siya takot Hindi takot Pero dalawang kamay ang hawak Sige, maglakad ka nga, tag-iisang hawak.
Hindi kaya bro.
Nakasunod ko, wala ka.
Tignan mo naman kasi. Video mo yung bababa
Huwag mo isipin yung baba.
Siyempre, sige, papikit na lang.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a with the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Living more, shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know?
Video editor.
You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but the noise slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a with the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
Video nga, hindi ko naman sinabi. Sabi.
to, so may quiet peace. So, minimize lang tayo. May camera.
Sabi niya, sa cellphone, gabi na cellphone. Pahingan mo muna.
Auto Irene. Auto Niri o Irene.
Wala mo lang, bigit ako ng mga apps dito ng mga
Go.
ano naman.
Next.
8 gig to eh. Yung ano, kaya sabi ko, ang dami niya.
Ay, may pababa.
So ito yung mga
Kasi sa loob hindi tayo pwede pumasok.
hindi po tayo sa amin sa mga cellphone namin experience.
Closed. I like the view. Wow. Meron din sa baba. Bababa ka.
Ganda oh. Ano lang siya, binasal lang siya ng tela. Tapos may mga,
Galing ano.
meaningful. Sana nakaka-appreciate ng art. So, maintindihan mo to.
So, where are we going? Yes, sir. Karat na. Ba, diyan ka picture diyan kita. Okay.